This spin scrubber will be the best gift you can give to your family. Elevate your home cleaning with electric spin scrubber, which comes with 9 interchangeable brushes for a variety of cleaning tasks. Use the flat brush on tiles, walls, and pools, the corner brush on grout and faucets, the cloth brush on wood floors and furniture, and the sponge on windows. You can even use the brushes to polish and wax your car. Electric spin scrubber easily removes stubborn dirt and stains, with its powerful motor that reaches speeds of up to 420 rounds per minute. The extendable stainless steel handle and adjustable brush head angles make it easy to clean hard-to-reach places without kneeling or bending. The handle extends from 24.8 inches to 44.8 inches. With the powerful fast-charging technology and battery-level display function, you'll never have to worry about running out of power. The spin scrubber provides 90 minutes of cleaning after just 3 hours of charging.